I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've had my share of seconds in my best love taboo. We are the champions, my friend, and we'll keep on fighting to the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers. We are the champions of the world. I've taken my vow at my curtain call. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes. Well then, I thank you all. But it's been no better